equations of motion.
Yeah, equation of motion.
I'll open them up here too as well. But do you have them on your phone?
Yeah.
Oh great, so you can just read it to me. Let me just right. You can see okay.
A car is traveling at 80 kilometers per hour.
Alright, so the first okay, so that let me see, that's UVATS. So the U is 80, but you're saying it's kilometers per hour. So we convert that into meters per second. So let me just do that first. 80,000 divided by 3,600. Okay, so what else are you told now?
The driver puts her foot down.
Yeah.
And the car accelerates to 120 kilometers per hour over a distance of 300 meters.
Okay. So 120 kilometers an hour, that is 33.3 meters per second, I think, I hope. The A and T we don't know, so what do I ask you for? Do I ask you for both?
How long did the acceleration take?
Okay.
And how large was the acceleration?
Alright, so I do ask you for both. So we'll go with V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. So 120 squared equals 80 squared plus 600A. Ah, at last. Hey! Come on in, I just started. I'm doing the questions.
Yeah.
Did you finish?
No. Yes.
You did? You were hungrier.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
It smells like bacon in here now.
Yes. There's 3 bacon inside. I'm not eating them.
Do you have that every day?
But no.
Not every day.
Just today.
Just today, okay.
Too hungry.
Too hungry. Wait till I tell you. Fahad, yesterday. Remember Fahad?
I remember. Tell me what.
No breakfast,
Why?
no lunch.
Cupid?
No,
No money?
no. He said he had pizza before bed and he wasn't hungry. And I told him, that's crazy. You need to have something for breakfast or lunch. Terrible.
What is his something?
He had nothing. No breakfast, no lunch.
Too hungry? How big the pizza is?
He said, big pizza. 16 inches. No, 16 inches, whatever.
Oh.
Yeah, well, he had half of it.
For 1 people?
No, he had half. He shared it. Anyways, I'm glad to see I don't have to worry about you not eating.
Yes.
Yes, I don't have to worry about this. Alright, 120 squared minus 80 squared. I'm doing the first question here. Is this the one you did last night?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what answer did you get for A?
1.03.
I don't think so. For A?
Which question?
Number 1.
Which question?
Number 1.
Number 1?
Number 1.
What's the question?
Homework number 1. What's
But
wrong?
the question is how long?
Well, for the A and then the time. So now I'll get the time. So to get the time, I'll use V equals U plus AT. So I have 33.3 minus 22.2 divided by, what's wrong?
I use 120.
No, that's kilometers per hour, and I changed it
Yes.
to 33.3. Oh my goodness, you're right.
Oh yeah. I didn't even realize.
Why didn't you say something?
I didn't realize.
Yeah. Okay, very good. So you do listen. That's great. 33.3 squared equals 22.2 squared plus 600A. So A equals.
1.03.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't need to check. Okay, what did you get? 1 point.
0.03.
Great. And now, how did you get the T? I think just this one, yeah? Yeah, so here you get T, let's see, 33.3 minus 22.2 divided by 1.03. What did you get for t?
10.8.
Yeah, 10.8 seconds. Alright. Right, number 2. Is it kilometers an hour or meters per second? In number 2.
Meters per second
Great,
squared.
okay. So we'll write it down here. UVATS. Okay, so read the story to me. You have the story in front of you, yeah?
A cyclist starts cycling from rest at a 5 meters per second squared.
Wait.
I mean with an acceleration of 500 meters per second squared.
I don't think you mean 500.
That's what it says. I said 5 meters per second squared.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
But the sentence is quite weird though. A cyclist starts cycling
Yeah.
from rest with it makes sense. With acceleration of
Okay.
5 meters per second squared.
Yeah, go on.
Okay. How long until he cycles 100 meters and how fast is he cycling after 100 meters?
Okay, so which formula? We'll use S equals UT maybe, if you want. So you get 100 equals a half 5 t squared, yeah? So we have 200 divided by 5. So what did you get for t?
6.3.
Yeah, 6.3 seconds. And then next, to get the v, I'll just say v equals u plus at. So I get, wait, what did you get? I did something wrong here. 6.3 times 6.3 times 5. 31.5?
Yeah, 31.6.
30, about 31.5 or 6. What's wrong?
But
Yeah? I think that's too fast. Anyways, number 3. Okay.
a ball is thrown vertically upwards
Yeah.
at a velocity of 4 meters per second.
Yeah.
How long until it hits the ground?
A is minus 9.81 meters per second squared, meters per second. Right, so what else do we know for this one? What else did you say?
Velocity.
We don't know the V, we don't know the T. We know the S.
And it,
We do.
Zero.
No, 15
Zero.
meters, 15 meters.
0.
No, wait. How long?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
no, yeah, that's
Yeah.
Zero.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
why is the distance 0?
But you maybe it's 40.
we had this.
On the floor.
Yeah.
Go through and under.
Oh,
No, it's on, not under.
oh, because it goes up and it comes back down.
Yeah.
U is 40, no 4.
Oh, sorry, I misheard. 40.
40.
14.
T.
Well, I just had 40. That's what I wrote. Never mind. Right, so we have here 0 equals 40t minus 9.81 over 2t squared. 0 equals 40t minus 4.905t squared. In fact, it's okay if you want to divide everything by t here, because t we're not allowed to say 0. So you could cancel the t's here like this and get 0 equals 40 minus 4.905t. So t equals 8.15 seconds.
I don't know. I don't know how to cancel T.
We can't cancel t. You can also use what you learned in maths class. You know this formula? You did this with Roland, yeah? Yeah.
I just forget this
That is okay.
the day before yesterday.
You did it the day before yesterday and you forgot it, yeah. Do I ask you for the V? Do I ask for the V?
No.
No, okay. I'll tell Roland, so. Shh, Okay.
I will buy you bacon.
Oh, good deal. What are you doing in maths at the moment? Did you do delta discriminant?
Today. Today.
You did it today.
Yes.
Oh, you had class at 9 o'clock.
Yes.
Ah, and this is why you're hungry. So much maths, yeah.
Yes. Too much homework for 7 page. Whole 7 page.
It's good for you.
No.
Make you smart
No.
and strong.
Make you want to sleep.
Yeah, and that too. Yeah. Does Roland give you a lot of homework?
No, but.
So then, what are you complaining
No,
about?
we don't have to do the homework. It's up to us. It says it's up to us.
He treats you like adults. Yeah.
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 Yes. Okay. Yeah, I don't. All right. Can we go to the next one?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm not happy.
You're not happy. You don't want to be treated like an adult.
Yeah, I want to sleep.
Okay. Number 4. UVATS. So what's this story?
A person is walking at 3 meters per second,
Yeah.
starts running at end, I think it's supposed to be end,
Yeah. Yeah.
and reaches 10 meters per second over a distance of 50 meters.
Okay. So what do I ask for? The acceleration.
Acceleration and how long it took them to accelerate
Okay.
from 3 meters per second to 10 meters per second.
All right. So that's straightforward again. We have. Let's see. Oh no, sorry. I don't have V, so I can't use this one because I have. Oh, but I could get. This is how I can get V. Yeah. So let's see.
We know.
Oh my goodness. Sorry, you're right. That's.
We don't know any.
We don't know A. Yeah. Sorry. 10 meters per second. All right. 10 squared minus 3 squared divided by 2 divided by 50. All right. So what'd you get? 0.91.
Yeah.
Yeah. A is 0.91 meters per second squared, and the T I can just use V equals U plus AT. Okay. So what did you get for the T? Correct, yeah. 7.69 seconds. Okay. Which question is this? 5?
4.
No, sorry, the next one I mean. Yeah, sorry.
2 cars.
Whoa. Okay. 2 cars.
Yeah, 2 cars are 300 meters apart in opposite lanes. They are traveling towards each other. They each start at rest and have accelerations of 10 meters per second square and 15 meters per second square.
Okay.
How long until they pass each other?
All right. So let me draw this as well. So how far apart are they? Did you say?
300 meters.
Okay. So this is 300 in total. All right. Now they both start at rest. You know that. Okay. And the V we don't know, but the acceleration we know.
Yeah, 10 and 15.
Okay, 10 and 15 meters per second squared. Meters per second squared. So what happens is the car here leaves, the car here leaves, and where do you think they'll meet? The middle, to the left, or to the right?
Middle.
Not quite the middle, no.
Left.
To the left, because this car will accelerate faster than this one. So they'll meet somewhere here. And my question is, where do they meet? Yeah. So the trick here, you can call this distance S1.
No, question how long? How long is has the train?
Yeah, when do they meet? Yeah, when do they meet? S1, S2. Now, just be careful. I'm going to call right positive here, but in this one, to make it a little easier to do, I'll call left positive. So I can keep these all positive. I mean, you don't have to. You could say minus 15 and it's going to the left, but it's easier if we both make them positive. And this is the origin, and for this one, this is the origin.
Wait,
Mm-hmm.
so even if an object is accelerating to the left, it means it's negative.
Yeah, it's negative. Yeah.
Okay.
Because the sign just tells us where it's accelerating, not, anything else. Okay, so the trick here is we know something about S1 and S2. we know that if you add them together, what should S1 plus S2 equal? 300. So this for the first car plus the second car should equal 300. So this is U, which is 0, T, plus a half A, T squared. And this is U, T, plus a half A, T squared. Because I'm using the formula as well for S. Huh? So we get here 12.5 T squared equals 300. So I got T is 4.899, so 4.9 seconds. Do I ask you how long, the time, is it?
Yeah, how long until they meet?
So they meet after 4.9 seconds. Okay. Is there more?
No, that's
That was the last one?
yeah.
Great. Okay. So we'll go to the next lesson now.